काय म्हणताय काळूराम दादा? ओके सगळं? बरं, आपली ऑर्डर सगळी ट्रॅकवरती आहे ना? त्याचे पार्ट सगळे व्यवस्थित येत आहेत? आणि तुम्हाला काय अडचण वगैरे येते कुठल्या बाबतीत? बाकी अरे ओ नो,
Oh no.
आता काय light
This
कधी आहे?
is what your future will look like.
What?
What?
Yes, that's your future. Dark. Let me take you on a journey through time. Throughout history, we've relied on conventional sources of energy to power our world. From coal to natural gas, oil to nuclear energy, these sources have fueled our progress. But with progress come consequences. Carbon emissions that are the silent culprits behind climate change. The Earth's delicate balance is disrupted, leading to global warming. And climate change is heavily impacting the generation of energy, leading to its scarcity and increased costs that affect your daily lives.
This is unsettling. Can you please tell us what actionable steps can we take in response?
You don't need to do anything extraordinary. You just need to think of some green investments.
Green investments?
Yes, picture this, investing in a way which has lower costs but a higher ROI
Higher ROI than
anything else you've invested in.
you're joking, right?
You bet. As we forge ahead, investing in clean energy is the need of the hour, a commitment to future generations and the health of our world.
But how is it going to be cost effective?
Well, that's what we are here for.
But how are you going to help us? I mean, who are you?
We are Alligators. Founded in 2008, Alligator Automations established as end-of-line automation company headquartered in Pune. The company's team expanded to 250 people as of 2023 and has established a global presence in automation industry. Alligator Solar, an arm of Alligator Automation, was founded in 2015. Our solar energy innovations combat greenhouse emissions, driving towards a cleaner future. We, as an EPC company, set high standards in capability and reliability, aiming to power a new solar era for affordable, clean energy as we face climate change. We are dedicated to empowerment, excellence, and diverse technical expansion across energy sectors. That sounds quite monotonous, right? Well, let me tell you a story. Actually, two stories. A cutting-edge manufacturing facility of Yamazaki Mazak, India, and a responsible premium residential site in Pune decided to facilitate Alligator Solar. Their decision to embrace Alligator Solar speaks volumes.
When we decided to opt for the solar as an alternate source of energy, then we came across proposals from several companies, and we have gone through all those proposals, and we found the proposal from the Alligator Solar was most appropriate to suit our requirement in terms of like a technical specifications and commercials as well. And that's how we chose Alligator Solar as our partner. So with this installed capacity of about 500 kilowatt kWh rooftop solar panels, we are generating approximately 57,000 kWh to 73,000 kWh units per month, and we are able to reduce the energy cost by 5.7 to 6.3 lakhs.
नमस्कार, मी जादूगार विजय रघुवीर. माझ्याकडे 3 मजले आहेत माझे, आणि आमच्याकडे सगळे लाईट्स वगैरे आमचे प्रोग्रामचे ट्रायल्स वगैरे होत असतात. त्यामुळे स्टेजचा इफेक्ट येण्यासाठी म्हणून जसे लाईट्स लागतात तसे लाईट लावून आम्ही इथे ट्रायल्स घेत असतो. किंवा घरीसुद्धा 3 एअर कंडिशनर वगैरे असल्यामुळे जास्त विजेचा वापर होतो. म्हणजे नॉर्मल जेव्हा वापरत नाही एअर कंडिशनर त्यावेळेला 1800-2000 बिल असतं प्रत्येक मीटरचं, आणि उन्हाळ्यात तर काही विचारायचंच नाही. म्हणजे उन्हाळ्यात मॅक्सिमम बिल मी 10,000 रुपये भरलेलं आहे 3-3 मीटरचं. मी एकदा जाहिरात वाचली सकाळमध्ये ॲलिगेटरची, म्हणून त्यांना फोन लावला. तर मकरंद सर माझ्याशी बोलले आणि ते म्हणले असं मी येतो घरी तुमचं, आधी बघतो कुठे बसवायचं काय, आणि मग तुम्हाला माहिती सगळी सांगतो किती किलोवॅट लागेल वगैरे. 13 जूनला आमचा हे झाला कार्यान्वित झाला प्लॅन, आणि त्या दिवसापासून माझं बिल मला आता 0 येतं. म्हणजे जे काय मिनिमम 130 रुपये मीटर असल्याचं जे बिल येते तेवढंच येते.
Overall, we have a very good experience with while working with the team Alligator in terms of responses, engineering, like their workmanship. So overall, we are happy and we are thank you team Alligator for their support.
Let's deep dive into the process we follow as an EPC company. We start with a feasibility study that examines both the technical and economic aspects of a project to determine its practicality and potential for success. Then the team moves on to its design aspect, detailing out the engineering plans and electrical systems. Procurement team works on tracking and receiving of quality material and timely delivery. We focus on effective practices during construction, like site preparation, installation, and safety checks. We believe a smart project management leads to effective planning, execution, monitoring, and control. Our testing team is highly meticulous about system functionality and grid integration. Operation and maintenance planning creates a maintenance strategy to avoid post-installation flaws. Once the project is completed, the handover is processed along with documentation, training, and finally transfer to client. We are a firm believer of post-completion services. Our team offers technical support and optimization if needed post-installation. At the end, we keep monitoring, track performance, and provide reports whenever essential. A 2 kilowatt system offsets 72,250 kilograms of CO2, equivalent to the plantation of 72 trees. Experience a rapid ROI with payback periods as short as 2 to 3 years, an impressive internal rate of return from 18 to 22%. With Alligator Solar, be a part of the journey where your path is illuminated by the promise of something bigger, the beauty of something greener, and the durability of something sustainable. Alligator Solar, energizing future.